here at Tee Pee Campground, and we are going up to the office to get tickets for the ferry to take us to Mackinac Island. And they do also have a free shuttle service from here to the ferries. So we're gonna walk up, buy our tickets, get the shuttle, and head over to the island for the day. It's gonna be a great day.
Here we go. Day number 2. Camp Tee Pee. We got some catching up to do. He's hard to keep up with. Here waiting for the ferry to cross to the island.
There's only around 450 of us crazy people that live here year-round. I happen to be one of them. The yellow place right there, Geranium Cottage, that's owned by our mayor, Margaret Dowd. Yep, she's been our mayor for 46 years. She also owns the Windermere Hotel.
Cool.
I'm 6.
Oh, we're on 7. Woodpecker. This is the peak of Arch Rock. So I wonder what formed that, like a blowhole? Water had to have formed it. Come on, buddy. Just saw Arch Rock, and we're headed back down into town. I am so glad we came down all those steps instead of going up. So here's a side note. When you come to Mackinac, if you're going to go see if you're going to walk to the Arch Rock, take the Botanical walking trail to Arch Rock, and then take the stairs down. There's 270 of them instead of going up 270 steps. 207, sorry, my bad. 207 steps.
No, this is a lot of...
Don't step on the wheel, you just stay right here on this one.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Crazy. So pretty.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's filling up water.
Everybody just sitting out there in their chairs, enjoying the view.
Go sit in the chair, Adam.
You can go sit in a chair or just keep walking down the sidewalk.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. Alright. Yep. Yeah, we're almost back.
I told my brother up here about a year ago for a wedding.
What do you want?
I want you to carry me.
I want you to carry me. I thought you were going to carry me.
I can't carry you.
Oh man.
You're too heavy.
That's neat.
So Stu, what's going on here?
Oh, hey, how you guys doing? On our way up to Mackinac Island, we went through a real heavy downpour rainstorm, and we stopped to get a bite to eat and pull off before it got real windy and bad because it was a big storm cell. And Jen checked the lights after we stopped for fuel, and this passenger side light was flickering. And so I got out and took a look, and it had filled up halfway with water. So don't know where the failure was. I think, not blaming anybody, but it got over tightened and it cracked. You can see the crack right there. They over tightened it and cracked the seal right here, and of course it's on the top, so that allowed the water to penetrate and fill this up. I drilled a little hole in the bottom to drain it, but it was too late. It had already gotten up to the LED board and fried it. So we have been on a wild goose chase for about 8 hours trying to
All day.
Okay, all day. Yeah, it's been an all-day event. We got up this morning, ate breakfast, and left to go find these, but we couldn't find a straight LED strip. We got the double LED strip.
And where did we find these?
We found these at Tractor Supply.
We tried auto parts stores, we tried RV dealers. None of them had anything with that flange.
Nothing in stock.
So
they had what they call a recess light that would fit into the full socket, would be cut out of your trailer, and you push it in. But we have a surface mount light where it just has a hole and your light mounts to the surface. The recess light would actually have the hole cut out where the light would fit into it. They had plenty of those, but that's not what we needed. So I'm just trimming the wires back on the new fixtures and wiring them in with wire crimps, and I'm going to shrink tube them after I check and make sure that they work. So we're going to wire these in. Just before I crimp these, I'm just going to twist them in and make sure that they work, and then I'll go ahead and hardwire them in. So keep your fingers crossed. Stay tuned.
we have a tail light. Okay, you gonna hit the brakes? Oh yeah, we got brake lights. Right turn signal. Oh yeah, that's on. Try left turn so we'll make sure it still works. Yep, we're good. This is super bright, and yes, it really works. Okay, yeah, we're good.
Well, then you want me to just pull it out of the fire now, or?
I want you to pull it out of the fire now. Is it
Just
hot?
a hot marshmallow.
Let me feel.
It's hot.
Not that hot. Oh, it is.
Yeah, you got sticky stuff on your finger and it burnt, just like I told you it would.
Green on the top.
Mm-hmm.
That's all green. Purple way in the bottom. Turning pink.
Oh, I see green and blue.